What if the office you're leasing today is already outdated? In 2026, businesses aren't asking how big an office is, they're asking how flexible it is. So which actually wins today, flex spaces or traditional offices? Traditional offices offer stability, but they come with long leases, fixed layouts, and high upfront costs. More space no longer equals more value. In a market shaped by hybrid work and rapid scaling, rigidity is becoming a liability. Flex spaces flip the model. Shorter commitments, adaptable layouts, shared amenities, and lower risk. They let businesses scale up or down without being locked into yesterday's needs. In today's market, flexibility wins. Not because it's cheaper, but because it's smarter, faster, and aligned with how people actually work in today's era. If you're choosing space based on the past, you're already behind. Follow Sell the Dwell to stay ahead of how real estate is really evolving. Subscribe to our channel to stay notified when a new video comes up.